welcome to my channel. My name's Courtney. I'm with Live Lovely Photography and also my vlog site, Live Lovely Travel. And today I'm doing a spring wardrobe challenge. I've been working on it all weekend, and this is Madeline. So I'm doing a spring wardrobe challenge. It's the complete opposite of a capsule wardrobe, but it does have a slightly minimalist, simple living aspect to it. And the point is to wear, the challenge is very simple, it's to wear every single item in your spring wardrobe. So what I did is I pulled out all my spring and summer clothes and I divided them by category. I put things away to donate, and my goal is to wear every single item in my spring wardrobe. I always have to be in the shot, don't you? So the reason why I'm doing this challenge is I want to, one, see what I actually need. When I pulled out all the items from my closet, I discovered that I had way more than I thought. And there's no way I could possibly wear them all. Thankfully though, I've been culling my wardrobe, curating it, trying to make pieces that, or find pieces that I really love and that speak to me and speak to my style, so that I could have better quality clothing that I adore rather than too much, but I still have too much. So I'm hoping this challenge will help me figure out what I actually want to wear and what I don't want to wear. Because right now, all the items I own, I really like them. But if there's something that I'm not going to wear, chances are I probably won't, so I'm going to donate that piece. Another reason why I want to do this challenge is to slow down consumerism a little bit. I want to see what I have in my closet, how I could style it different ways, be more creative with what I already own, and to be more appreciative of what I already own. And from there, hopefully, I'll see that I really don't need to shop anymore for spring items, even though this time of year is a tough one for me because I love all the florals and the spring colors and the pastels. It could be a bit of a trap when I stop into a store in the spring. I'm usually pretty good in winter and fall, though I do love fall clothes too. But when the spring clothes come out, I don't need to shop, so I want to just shop my closet. That's the main goal. And Madeline thinks I'm crazy for having so many clothes, don't you? Yes. So a capsule wardrobe is when you take items from your closet, be that 10 or 33 items, and you wear those for a certain amount of time, like a couple weeks, a month, maybe even a full season, or for a trip. My idea for my wardrobe challenge is to do the complete opposite and wear literally every single piece. I obviously don't have so many clothes that I won't be able to do this in time. That would be a lot of clothes. So I imagine by the time I'm through with this challenge, I'll be re-wearing clothing. I'm usually an outfit repeater. They say that the typical person only wears about 20% of their full wardrobe. So I want to see if I do gravitate towards certain pieces over and over again and which ones I tend to ignore. I'm hoping it'll help me minimize and downsize my closet, help me appreciate what I already have more often, how to restyle it into different looks using the same piece in different ways, slow down on consumerism, and that's pretty much it for the challenge. So getting started, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to pull out every single item from your wardrobe. No matter the season, you're going to tuck away. If you live in a wintry area like I do in New England, you are going to tuck away your winter clothes. And you're going to pull out all your spring attire. You're going to separate the summer attire. I mean, I know they do overlap. Winter clothing at the beginning of spring, I tend to wear a lot of sweaters, jackets, coats, still wear some scarves at the early spring. It's usually much colder. We have a mild late winter, early spring this year. And what we're going to do is separate those clothing. Anything that is like vacation wear, super summery, like shorts, things for like picnics, vacations. You're going to put those away in a summer section. Those are not part of the spring wardrobe challenge. Bathing suits aren't included. I'm not including like loungewear, pajamas, bathing suits, any of those pieces in the challenge. And what you're going to do is you're going to pull out just your spring clothing. Some of the winter, as I said, it's going to overlap a little bit, and you're going to put them in a different part of your closet or a different drawer in your dresser, and you're going to wear each piece during the duration of spring. And eventually you may even be re-wearing some of your clothing. There might be some items that you don't want to wear at all, and maybe that means it's time to donate. And I'm hoping what I'll get from this is that it'll teach me what I actually do need. I'm sure I need a lot less than I think I do. And I'm hoping it'll also teach me more about my personal style, my spending habits, who I am as a person. I'm hoping it'll make me more creative if I have to mix and match what I already have. I'm hoping it'll make me a better stylist and a little bit more fashionable. We'll see. And there's a few challenges. I'm expecting some of my spring wardrobe won't be work attire appropriate. I work in an office environment part-time for a law firm, and so how can I use some of these spring pieces at work? Can I mix it with a blazer or put tights under the skirt to make it more office efficient? And what pieces I might have to use for the weekends. And then I'm assuming there's also going to be a lot of pieces that are like ideals. What I call it my dream closet. These are items that I have for one day. One day if I go on a safari. One day if I go on this epic vacation, I'm on a beach. One day if I have to go to some amazing office party or give a speech. These are items that you hold on to in your closet, but you don't ever really wear them, but they're sort of special occasions that may or may not even happen. Clothing that doesn't fit. So to one day fit in it again. Those are items to get rid of. So day 2, I've sorted. Here's summer dresses, shorts. These are things I'm not going to include in the spring wardrobe challenge here. Then I have all these pajamas, bathing suits, cover-ups, spring jackets, dresses, shirts, blouses, tops, shorter skirts, workout attire, and loungewear. So I'm just right now putting everything in piles. I have a laundry pile in the back, and just sorting and separating everything so I could put them away. Over here is my donate bag. It's actually quite a big duffel, and I've filled it a pretty good amount, so I'm happy with myself there. Here's the repair pile, anything with rips, straps broken, missing buttons. These are things I want to fix. So a tip I've read is putting away things you're not sure about for a little while and see if you miss them. So I'm going to use this suitcase that I probably won't be using for a little while at least. And I'm going to put away some of my summer and spring clothes, like this one here, and see if it's something I end up taking out and using. Okay, here it is. Long sleeve shirts, cardigans, sweaters, more sweaters in the back. These are all the spring clothes here. These ones are summer and some fall and sweaters and stuff, but this is my spring section here. My closet's a bit messy. I have all my winter coats and my summer stuff here. But over here I have all of my jackets, my blazers, my work suits. I have some overalls. These are the blouses in here. So I have the blouses, let's see, long sleeve shirts and button-ups, and then it goes into the dresses, all my spring dresses. I have a lot of dresses. Oh my goodness. So this is what I have to wear for the spring challenge. I have to wear each and every single one of these. I think I'm going to need a little bit of help. So I'm not a perfect minimalist. I use minimalism as a tool, but I do want to adopt more minimalist strategies when curating my closet in the future. So I'll be posting updates on my outfits every single day. I decided I'll just do an outfit photo every day. I've never done that before. In part I want to do it because I'm hoping it'll help me decide what actually does look nice and what doesn't, what I should donate, and if I'm unsure I could reach out to my Instagram followers and ask for a little bit of help. I really hope that you join me in the challenge. I mean, a lot of us do capsule wardrobes, but how many of us actually try to wear every single item that we own? What will that teach us about ourselves and our closets, and our spending habits, and our consumerism habits? Thank you so much for joining me today. Again, my name's Courtney with Live Lovely Travel. You can find me at www.livelovelytravel.com or on Instagram at livelovelytravel. I focus a lot on simple living, well-being, travel, New England, a little bit of style and organic living as well. And I really hope you'll consider joining the Spring Wardrobe Challenge. I'll come up with the follow-up video soon. And I hope to see you all there. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day.